Here I have ALCATEL 1B, and today I'm going to show you how to enable battery percentage on this device. So firstly, you will have to open settings, then go to the display section, then to status bar, and here you have this option battery percentage. You can show your battery inside the battery icon, as I have right now. You can don't show it at all, or you can just show it next to the battery, and as you can see, now we can see our battery percentage next to the battery icon here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.